Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm firing up the Slim Barrel Smoker today. We're going to do some baby back ribs on that thing, and it's going to be an easy cook, but let's go inside. I'll show you what I put on these ribs. We're going to heat that up to 250 degrees and get these ribs on. And before I put the ribs on that Slim Barrel Smoker, I'm going to put a couple of chunks of pecan wood to get some pecan smoke on these ribs. All right, so here's my baby back ribs. I've already removed the membrane, and actually these needed hardly any trimming at all. They were really nice. So I'm going to be using the Meat Church, the Gospel all-purpose rub. I tasted this, and it's got some really great flavor in it. So I'm going to throw some mayonnaise down on here. This is some Duke's with a hint of lime. So I thought maybe that might make a good little binder. Doesn't have to be real thick. Okay, I had to clean my right hand off so I can put the Meat Church, the Gospel on here. And this is the underside, so I'm not going to go too heavy. Just get a little flavor under there. And then the top. Go a little heavier on the top. Okay, I'm going to let this rest for probably about 30 minutes and we'll get it out on that Slim Barrel Smoker. All right, my Slim Barrel Smoker's up to temp. Look at those ribs. They've been sitting about 30 minutes. Let's get these on. It has been 3 hours, 250 degrees. Threw me in a few jalapenos to snack on. Those are going to be delicious. All right, 3 hours. It's looking pretty good. I'll get this off of here and just check the bend. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm going to get these off of here and get them wrapped in foil. So let's get these over with the foil. That. All right, so I'm not going to do your typical brown sugar, honey, butter, and all that, but I am going to put a little bit of butter on there, squeezable parquet, and I'm going to use some more of this Meat Church, the Gospel rub that I started with. Same thing on the top. You want to double wrap on this, and you want to wrap it tight. You don't want to get any holes in it. Get this back on the pit and let it go for about an hour to an hour and a half. Set that right back down there. I think I'm going to take off my jalapenos. Let them cool off and I'll just snack on those. Oh yeah. All right. We'll be back probably at about, I don't know, between an hour and a half. All right, well, ended up going an hour and a half. Ended up having some company, so is what it is. They're fine. All right, so now get these unwrapped. And then some more of the Gospel. Not putting sauce on these. This is just going to be the dry rub. All right, we're going to let these go about 30 minutes and take them off. It's been just about 30 minutes. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. A nice pull back on the bones. Look at that. All right, let's get this in. Let it rest a few minutes and we'll cut it in. Look at that. There they are. Dry rub. No sauce. Let's see if we got a smoke ring. Well, a little bit right there. That doesn't look too bad. Right in there. Look at that. Okay. Now we need to take a taste. Right, there we go. Baby back rib. A little bit of a smoke ring on there on the slim barrel smoker. I put some pecan wood in there. I went at 250, 3 hours wrapped for an hour and a half, and then 30 minutes unwrapped. No sauce, dry rub. The meat church. Meat church is the Holy Gospel, or the Gospel. That's what it's called. Okay, so here we go. Looks good. That is super tender. That baby back is actually fall off the bone. I usually like mine a little bit more of a bite off the bone, but hey. Baby back ribs are baby back ribs. I had some company come over. They stick around about 30 minutes longer than I anticipated, so it is what it is. They're still delicious, and yeah. If you got a barrel smoker, definitely make you some baby back ribs. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.